welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And it is a brand new year. It's 2025. Welcome to the new year. Happy New Year, all my followers, my friends, my subscribers, and anything you may want to call me. Yes, I'm happy that we all are here and we were privileged enough to see another year. And let us make sure that we're taking the necessary steps to make this year the best year ever. So, guys, whatever it is that you have planned for this year, just continue to watch it grow. And you have to do the work to make it happen, right? So, continue to work or working towards your goals, and let us set boundaries this year as well. Now, guys, I know it's a new year and everyone is happy to see it, just as I am. I'm happy to see another year because some people who, you know, were hoping to see this year, they were never able to make it through. And we have the privilege to do so. So let us make it a beneficial, prosperous year for ourselves and let us move in a positive direction. And today, as you know, what we have here on the mix, we have Dwayne today on the mix, bringing in the new year. And he's speaking about his eviction, as he would have said, from the Planka shop. And basically, he has a lot to say about this. He's talking about someone he calls the Blackscreen, and he's saying that person is trying to basically trigger him to curse Donna, but he's not going to do that. That's not what he is there for. And he said, this person is coming out to say that she blocked him, and even if she did, that's no reason for him to curse her out. And so, guys, you're gonna have to go catch the message from Dwayne himself. And he put a little bit in there, and he spoke about the Plankas as well and how he feels about them. So go catch the video. Remember, guys, to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. And for all my lovelies out here, you are celebrating your birthdays today. Happy birthday, everyone. And I wish you for this year everything nice and everything that you put your mind to achieving. All right? All the best for your birthday. And for all my other lovelies out there, my subscribers, my friends, and followers, I wish you a wonderful day, a wonderful new year, and everything that you wish for as well. Have a great one.
She's supposed to say that because she's a woman. Me give her all right, and trust me, you have not seen my sausage to be even talking about it. It's you and my one. You see, you at this point you are obsessed with me. I know I'm glowing, and I know I know I'm glowing. Every day the people say, "Doing, why are you getting so cute?" Me know say me cute. Me know say you probably didn't want me to, and you can't get me. And yes, remember say me turn down your people them, and me turn them down. And me not take you back, me turn them down. Me never want them, and I know when me I creep me till now want them. What is your agenda? Why? Hey, I'm telling you, this boy is flipping obsessed with me. I'm telling you, a beef man looking at him, I look beef. And he want to come cuss Donna. But you cannot get it. Me I tell you openly, she's not good. And as long as the main woman in my life don't reject me, Maureen Daly. She even come my page, come comment. Make your ma come and pay your page. I say, see me made. I'm going to see her picture. And that's if you do. Go away. You damn demon, Jabby. Go away, black screen. Go away. Go and keep slapping the sausages you love to slap on. You cannot slap on mine, because trust, it dead. You say it dead, it dead. You cannot slap on my dead sausage, sir. One. Listen, we're not war. We're not on a war. Remember, 2 years ago to last year, everything with the page, you had an issue. You were just picking. At this point, you're pulling for straws. You're pulling for straws. What about the business, sir? Go about your damn business. What is your friggin' agenda? I don't know what I'm to you. I'm Planks. Hello, Planks. Oh, you don't like me. Do not like me. Planks, do not like me. Don't like me. Don't like me, because maybe him want the one to come off. Or not come off, please come off. If 5 or 25 or 30 on over here, please come off. So Blackscreen can leave me alone. I want to be at peace. Peace is essential for me. And then other people, you're not gonna make me go crazy. It won't happen. What is your damn problem? Where you want me to come worship Donna? You're not happy. Donna is not my blood. She's not my God. Go away. Go away. We are at peace now. We are at what? Peace now. Let peace reign. Let that peace continue to reign too. Like I'm going to come cuss the woman. Move faster, man. Move now. Go on about the business, Blackscreen. Blackscreen, go about your damn business. Get a freaking life. All you know what about to want to instigate. Instigate. Like say, your fee say, you are a puppet master. You're no damn puppet master. You're nothing more than a damn imbecile, a friggin' idiot who's leeching. In fact, you're a social media leech. You are a parasite. You're a damn ticks. You are a parasite, aka ticks. You understand? A friggin' leech. Come off my damn back. And anyone you plan to have an issue to F off. But tell us that a lot of you is unaware to my damn presence. I want to be a chat to. Go on, man. Leave me alone. Go on over Blackscreen and tell him to leave me alone. And stop coming to when you want to come instigate me to come cuss the woman. For what reason? So what if she blocked me? How has that affected your life in any way? How has that affected your life? This is not the first. You're bringing it to the forefront. This is not the second. This is not the third. But I promise you, this is gonna be the last time me come make any kind of reference to this nonsense. My life goes on, and trust me, I'm doing fine. I'm doing better. Without nothing, I'm doing way better. You understand? Do you understand, Blackscreen? I am doing so much better without demons like Oni in my damn life. Go about your friggin' business. You and them can fuck off. Let me just be blunt. You and those unscrupulous dogs can fuck off. You understand? Go about your business. Me and Donna, we are not gonna war again. She don't get her cuss out already, and she cussed me back to and call me a kind of name. Let it go now and move on with her damn life. And remember, move on, because she's moving on too. Isn't that a good thing? Isn't that a good thing, Blackscreen? Is that not a damn good thing? Why I try to instigate? What exactly it is you try to instigate? Where I'm going to cuss her? Oh, back said, make me play a phone one make on a year when put out. And for nothing where I say I'm doing these things, I am not. I got screenshots. I'm Google download the video myself. I went and download the video myself when put out. Because I'm telling you, I did not have this video in my freaking arm. I did not have this video. I did not go and trouble this video. In fact, I didn't even know where to go and find the damn video. I did not know. I input it out. So I could play it. I want to hear when Donna blocked me. Like say my life goes on. My mother who gave birth to me loves me. You understand? Donna is not me mama. So why I come and go like say? Because she kicked me out of the shop. How How has that affected my life? My life not still go on. Where I live? Now England. Do I look like I'm suffering? Do I look like I'm suffering? I have a very strong family network system in my life. From a sister right up to my mama. From a sister right up to my mama. If I want anything, me call them. And trust me, very rarely I can't say, listen, I want you to go there, so go get this for me. Because I have the internet at my disposal. I always have money in my account. You understand, Blackscreen? So the planks cutting me off, Donna cutting me off. How the caca has that affected my life? You see, that damn fool is a friggin' idiot. I have confirmed he's a damn fool. Trust me. Yes, me now telling like when it happened, people, hear me well. When it happened, yes, it bothered me because why it bothered me? Because I know I was supporting this person and I was supporting her wholeheartedly. And if you know, so she blocked me because of that crazy one over there. So not once but 2 times. I knew then that she was never with me. So what do I want do you guys want to beat up myself? Me not beat myself for people I don't know, and it's not gonna happen. It will not happen. So Blackscreen, here you go. This is what you wanted. Let me play it for you, so people, my people, them can have an understanding too. Or some of your people over here who don't know can hear Donna talk about me apology, my long letter, whatever. Make only hear it too. Only can hear it too. So here you go, Blackscreen. Here you go.
Like,
Wanna listen? Go like that.
Joshy? Tajay left. Can't even see that phone. Planka people, you know, I take an early night tonight to rest my body. I eat mix up and I eat me in my bed and lie down well relaxed. And everybody I call me down. Look here, I don't like lion, I don't like mix up, and I don't like hearsay. You know why I come for the life tonight? Poor me no all and concern. This morning, 6 o'clock. And this morning, no, yesterday morning, I wake up and I see a text. Lord God, I never have this with another phone here. A long letter from Dwayne.
A long ass letter
from
with
all the
you.
way down.
Uh-huh.
Asking me to unblock him. I never block him. Because I tell you, say, I don't know how to block Dwayne or how to lock him off. Because I don't know much about phone. Especially when it is a page like mine. Dwayne, I saw him love me and him sorry for him and him should not call over here. And him ask me, say, please say unblock him. I say, I'm going to give you 2 weeks if I say changes. Listening?
Bear in mind, people, let me tell you what happened. How the first block got? The first block I got was when Erica said, me send man. No, lie me I tell. The first block was my fees I went. Somebody remind me. I two block me they get. My fees I went me they call over there, and this was Erica's what you call it in there? The fund. The marathon. I feel like me this up the marathon. That was the first block. And maybe if it's not that, it's when Erica said me send man a Portland fair, which is a whole lot. Man, me never got Portland at the end of my life. Me never got Portland. So I don't know how Portland is. I don't know nothing at all. Anyway, I got blocked. Cool. Or maybe I did the marathon for 2. I did the marathon. Anyway, she said she'll give me 2 weeks. She give me the 2 week. In for a lie. Less than a week ago, me send a letter and she make she talk.
I say it's not me block you. It's admin block you doing. It's admin block Dwayne. I say I go and ask them and say to unblock him because him have asked me to block him. I say I was upset on the day when him calling over here. So say Erica come.
Yes, correct. It was on the marathon when they call because bear with people that day. I was dying to have peace with this woman because this woman, she was attacking my mother. She attacked me at my grandmother. She's attacking me all the time. So I'm saying, how can I make peace with this woman where she can relax and me can relax? Oh wait, let me call in and see if I can get her some money towards the marathon where them did run fair. And honestly God, I really had good intentions, but it turned out bad. I may get black. Okay, cool. Make sure go at that. I that one. And on the God I love, I promise you I called and I said in fact my call the first time she never answered and she called me back. Enough, but enough, I'm gonna answer. And she gonna hear my voice, Erica hear my voice, and then she start going, oh my God, my face smell like she run out of the shop. Outside. All that commotion, it got me blocked. It was upsetting. It upsetted me. It did upset me because imagine putting yourself in my shoes. Me, I try to make peace with you because I realize you keep on attacking my mother, you attack my granny, you're attacking everybody in my family. So to make peace with him, so okay, let me try and calm the storm and put up a little money towards that marathon thing, whatever it was. I feel like I had good intention. My intention was good. It just turned out bad. One talk, Donna. One talk. Oh, and you know she said her admins blocked me. People, I don't me not care what nobody say. Let us be real. This is my page. This page is my page, right? This is my page. If one of my admins block some of them, I don't want them black. Me, I go in myself. I order them and block that one. Unblock that one. You know, Donna, I have no issues with the block. I'm gonna say it is your page, and it was you who called the shot. And in fact, no, it was what's your name? It was the one with that selling cake. What I want the name? One with that girl there? The one is to walk about and collect cake and go selfie her. What that girl did the name? That girl, she had the girl blocked me. I remember the day when she blocked me on that live stream. What that girl name again? Anyways, that girl, she blocked me, right? It was no admin, it was that girl. You see, listen, I don't know why I'm gonna go over this. I don't know why I'm gonna go over this. Hello, the block done gone already. My life still goes on. My mother, hi Dwayne, so she doesn't have. Don't mind Donna, girl. Don't mind Donna. I'm telling you, it was not no admin. It was that girl, that black girl who used to come there, and she. No, not Carolina. Our next one, the next black one, where you used to help her, and she did get, I think, a sewing machine from the shop. What a girl name again? And she'd have helped Claudia for figure ship out cake. If you don't go back when I all video them, on see the girl when she get her container cake and I walk over there, she put it on the ground one at time when she walk out the place. That girl did block me. No damn admin. Donna girl, you're lucky, my girl. You're lucky. It is what it is. My life goes on. I live in London. You hear me? Blackscreen, this goes for you too. I live in Abby. That's it. It was Abby who blocked me. Abby, the girl named Abby. She tried the phone from Donna and she blocked me. This time my page was not like this. My page was all set up. And then I always want to change my page to a fair page look, but I get it when my page get black by her. So I don't know what Blackscreen. I don't know what you're trying to prove. I don't know what exactly you're trying to prove. The black done gone already from how long? How many years is this block gone? 2021, 22. We're now 2025. Why are you bringing it to the forefront for? I don't know. I don't know what exactly it is you're trying to achieve. I don't know what exactly it is you're trying to accomplish. But whatever your agenda is in our work, you're waste of time. Move on with it. Move on with your life. The block happened to me. How is this block? How has this affected your life in any way, shape, or form? Shit. The better question is, How has this affected my life in any way, shape, or form? Isn't my life still going forward? Is my life not going forward? Blackscreen, is my life not going forward? Am I not still eating? Do I not have a roof over my head? Am I homeless? Because of this block, am I homeless? Do I not have... Am I naked? Am I hungry? Am I on here cussing people so the plants can give me a money or not? I am not. Are you do it? Are you're hungry? Don't start me off. Because you look at 11 hours here work. I'm sure you're not getting no more than 15 pound an hour. You're not getting no more than that. So go and sit down. That is peanuts. Compared to when I was working, your money at chump change. One month for them. Me used to work. Hello, Blackscreen. I used to work in car craft on freaking Great Cambridge Road. Me before me get to, I used to work at car craft. In fact, me used to work for car craft. One of my biggest salary from car craft is £8,000+. You will never have no job. We'll give them kind of money. Then no job. Come, I can test you're uneducated, you're dunce, and you don't have the skills it takes to earn that kind of money. Me not ask you. That's you have to go to a cleaning job. You know, I used to say I clean. I work at a cleaning company. You know? That's you. The only job you can get is a frigging cleaning work because you don't have no education. You is dunce. Look at the way you write your sentences. Me can't tell you that damn dunce, but your family should be ashamed of you. You come from Spanish town, you come a big friend come turn dunce. Your family should be ashamed of you. Take that from me, the cripple. Your family should be ashamed of you. You come a big friend come turn croft. No education, no nothing in your freaking name. Is a damn croft. That's the you have to cost woman to make her money for the idiot plank them. Yeah, name them out. Yeah, let us call a spade a spade. I am not hungry, Blackscreen, and I cannot suffer as